It's really hard to create energy that brings everyone in. Bitcoin is part of a macro market, right? That's why I got into it. And, crypto in general is all about narrative, right? It's not the technology. Technology is pretty cool, but...
Bitcoin Zella stands out with its simplicity and clarity. We've crafted an experience that anyone can dive into, whether you're a crypto expert or just a new to the crypto world. Now guess who keeps his eye on us? The author of best-selling book Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki. And we want to take this opportunity and thank all the people who trusted us, and we read every comment. And the best part, it's free. Subscribing now means you will get all new information for free. Don't just follow the trends, stay ahead of them. Subscribe to Bitcoin Zella today and enjoy the new edge. Mike Novogratz, founder and CEO of Galaxy Digital, reveals Bitcoin's evolving narrative, debating whether Trump's policies boost or hinder crypto trends. Watch to explore these dynamic insights together.
We could fork the Bitcoin blockchain and call it the Novo chain, and it probably wouldn't have a lot of value. And so it's not the technology, it's the social construct. That social construct, I think it has value, you think it has value, comes from narrative, right? The narrative has been governments can't stop spending money. They're going to depreciate their currencies incessantly. It's happened from time immemorial. Therefore, we need a hard asset like gold, and this is gold for a digital age. So, that's Bitcoin's narrative. It should stay its narrative. It's a great narrative. And, listen, we've just gone from 107 to 77.9 painfully last night at 2 in the morning. And so it feels kind of shitty. But I would tell you the one thing I've learned in the 15 years I've been following this stuff for, not 15 years, I'm cheating there. 13, no, 11 years, 12. Is that
7?
There was a
19.
There was a great song by Chumbawamba. I don't know if you know it. I get knocked down, but I get up again. Ain't no one's gonna hold me down. I get knocked down. Oh, Danny boy, that song.
Yes.
The Bitcoin community takes its pain, and what gives it its resilience are guys like Jack Mallers and Wences Casares and all of now Larry Fink, all of these orange pillars who are out there convincing people that this social construct, that, hey, you should take some of your hard-earned wealth and store it in this community. You have to trust in this community of weirdos. But you don't have to. The community gives its value. The blockchain itself gives it its constitution, right? Satoshi's white paper gives it its constitution, and so you know what you're betting on.
Bitcoin is currently locked in a tense battle as its price stalls just below the $85,000 resistance level. The cryptocurrency has been trading in a narrow range amid a tug-of-war between bulls and bears, with daily highs reaching between $84,000 and $85,200, yet failing to close above $84,600. All eyes are on the upcoming FOMC meeting, scheduled for March 18 to 19, as market participants await key interest rate decisions that could fuel significant volatility. A breakthrough above $85,000 might signal renewed bullish momentum, pushing Bitcoin toward new highs around $90,000. However, if the resistance holds, the bears could drive prices lower, testing support levels near $78,000 and even dipping towards $74,000. With uncertainty and dynamic market tension in play, traders are preparing for a dramatic period as every move could reshape Bitcoin's trajectory in the days ahead. Investors stay alert, anticipating sudden shifts as this crucial crypto moment continues to evolve.
There's something really magical about that. Why does Bitcoin dominance keep growing? It's because it's got the strongest, oldest, and most diverse community. Why is it hard for new coins to get any momentum? Because it's really hard to create community. It's really hard to create energy that brings everyone in, right? We were investors and we still are investors in Celestia. And we say, oh my God, Celestia is going to be the best blockchain. It's a modular blockchain, and it starts off with a hype. But it's really hard. Like if I walk down the street and grab 10 people, 0 would know what Celestia is. But 8 would know what Bitcoin is, and 4 would really understand it. And so how do these other ecosystems get mind share? It's hard. It's kind of weird that the top 4 coins are the first 4 coins that were launched. They got their communities earlier, and they've been working. I was talking to Brad Gardinghouse. He was like, I don't even know where half this XRP army comes from, but they are unbelievably passionate. And lots of crypto people will make all these, derogatory statements about why XRP is not as good as Bitcoin. Those people don't care. They're storing their wealth in that narrative. And so I do think it's the way I've always looked at this space. I think we're in an interesting macro. I'll go to your question. That was a long freaking answer. I'm already halfway through my time. One question. Listen, what's happening now?
You're doing great. You're doing great.
Well, if you think about what happened, like Donald Trump becomes the president. He's going to be a Bitcoin president. He's got a cabinet of Bitcoiners. He makes pro-crypto comments. Rumors of the Saudis and Abu Dhabi buying. Now it's been, they've publicly said yes. So the Mideast is buying. Everything is good. Like, how much better could it get? I was at the inauguration. There was a crypto ball. And not only was there a crypto ball, it was the party to be at. Everyone in D.C. wanted to go and went to the crypto ball. Like, market tops often come from that kind of exuberance, right? That's what creates a market top. Then there's often a symbolic gesture, right? AOL buys Time Warner, top of the NASDAQ in March of 2020.
Massive movements in the cryptocurrency world continue to captivate market watchers as a colossal Bitcoin whale ups the ante. According to data from CoinGlass, this whale has increased its short position to an eye-popping $515 million on the hyperliquid platform, marking what is believed to be the largest Bitcoin short ever. The saga began when the whale opened a short position of $332 million, with 40x leverage last week, stirring significant buzz across the market. After suffering a multi-million-dollar loss on Monday, the trader staged a remarkable comeback with an unrealized profit, now standing at $6.43 million. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency market participants are on high alert, seeking to track down the hyperliquid whale in hopes of liquidating the massive position, currently poised at a liquidation price of $85,557. Bitcoin's price has recently dipped below the $83,000 mark, down nearly 1% in the past 24 hours, while $184 million worth of crypto has been liquidated during this period, with short positions accounting for $94.19 million. Volatility is expected to intensify as the U.S. Federal Reserve is set to unveil its rate decision on March 19, a move that could further sway market dynamics. Sarah Sun, managing partner at C2 Ventures, warns that Bitcoin's low trading volume is flashing caution. With momentum lacking, increased volatility and further declines in BTC may be on the horizon. Market watchers are eager to see how these dramatic developments unfold. Analysts and traders are closely watching these moves, knowing each shift can dramatically reshape Bitcoin's volatile market. And do not forget to subscribe to Bitcoin Seller. The most important news will reach your inbox on a daily basis and for free. I do not know why you have not subscribed yet. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more daily updates. Remember, knowledge is power, and we're here to empower you on your financial journey. Until next time, happy investing.